When Google launched the Pixel 6, the company went big on promoting its clever Magic Eraser feature, which uses AI to remove unwanted photobombers from your snaps in seconds. 2 years later, it looks like Google has an auditory version lined up to get rid of unwanted sounds on video for the upcoming Pixel 8. The source of this isn't an established leaker. In fact, it's a brand new Twitter/X account with a catchy name of $8,622,647,227,573, so it could be anyone. But the included video feels a lot like an official Google promo. In it, we see a video of a woman on a skateboard edited on a Pixel 8. The user taps a button labeled Audio Magic Eraser, which then identifies the sounds of the video, before allowing noise, people, and music to be adjusted via a slider. The only phone with Audio Magic Eraser, a text on screen says before following up with the only phone engineered by Google. A stylish blue handset then appears on screen with a Google Pixel 8 caption. While the camera array makes it look like a Pixel 8 Pro in the clip, the accompanying text just reads Pixel 8, and the tweet itself says it's coming to the Pixel 8 series, so hopefully it's not just a Pro feature. There shouldn't be a technical reason why it can't be part of both handsets. In the past, both the regular Pixel and Pixel Pro have used the same chipset, and that looks set to happen again with the Tensor G3 chip coming to the Pixel 8 family. Back in June, a leak describing the chip claimed that TPU would be getting a 100 mAh boost and that its improvements to neural processing would be a considerable upgrade. This might be some of the fruit of that improvement. Elsewhere, we're apparently looking at even better photography, with the new 64MP ultra-wide sensor on the Pixel 8 Pro and the possible introduction of staggered HDR on both models. There could also be brighter screens, though we're not expecting the base storage to be upped. We still probably have a couple of months to go until we know for sure. In the past, Google has released new phones in the fall, with Pixels 1 through 7 all arriving in October, and it doesn't seem likely that'll change this time around, even with the Pixel Fold launch still fresh in the memory. How will the Audio Magic Eraser feature on the Pixel 8 be different from other noise reduction features on smartphones? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.